to my YouTube channel. My name is Chile Victor, also known as Crypto Forex Code. Today I will be talking to you especially on how to use psychological levels to trade. Okay, so but before I start, I would like to ask you, what are psychological levels? Just quickly, you notice that sometimes when we do analysis, we have lines like this, and you find us have it in several lines, not just one. And most times we use blue color, and you're wondering what these lines are. And most times we put these lines 50 pips apart from each other. Now I'm going to tell you quickly, these lines are actually round numbers, and they are actually the lines where we understand that the financial institutions and banks mostly come into this market. So let's take for instance that for some reasons price is at a particular level. Let's say price is at this level, or price is at this level, or price is at this level. So these are price levels. Okay, so psychological level system tells that when the banks come into this trade, I look for what I can use to just show a move. Okay, let's take a 5 move. Let's say this trade is on here, maybe there's a candle here, and it gets to, this is a psychological. We believe that these institutions will drive this market from that level, though a lot of things might happen along the line in this place, but price is definitely coming to the next level. And the difference between the first psychological level to the second psychological level is 50 pips. So this helps you to be able to predict entries and predict trades, and also predict profits which you can make in each trade. Sometimes price can even decide to do some movement upward. After a while, you notice that sometimes price breaks this psychological level, retests it again, like maybe retesting like this, comes down, does some playing around, but yet destination is to the next psychological levels. So I just wanted to take out time to explain to you what psychological levels are before I go straight to telling you how to draw psychological levels. Okay, if you want to get a full concept of our analysis strategy, you will need to watch most of our videos on YouTube, either the weekly review or the weekly analysis, and you will need to also watch the best trading strategy video that I posted on my YouTube page. Okay, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel so that you can have access to all our videos. Alright, so this is how we do it. I might not take you through the process of what we do because we are day traders with this strategy, but we start trading from the 1 week time frame to the 15 minutes where we take our entry. But for psychological level, I'm just going to show you how to draw psychological levels and how to use them to predict trades. Okay, so this is my entry points, 15 minutes time frame. What I do is, first of all, you don't need to stress it. Now this is only applicable for GU, this particular system I want to give you now. So what I do is, at the current price, I just drop a line. Okay, then all I need to do is to check the closest round number to that particular price level. Okay, now what is this closest with space of 50 pips apart? It will be 1.260, okay, or 1.265. Both of them are correct, because whichever way you're going upward, you're correct. You're coming downward, you are correct. Okay, so but take note, this is what is applicable because of the coordinates of GU. This is GU's coordinate. So the next psychological level close to this will be 5. Okay, and the rest digit becomes 0, 0. That's the closest psychological level to the current price that you have. The next psychological level, if you clone this for the next one, will now be, if you are coming downward, it will now be 2. If you are going upward, it will be 270. Okay, because you just add 5 to that 65. Okay, that's what gives you 50 pips upward. Then if you are coming downward, it will be 260. If you're coming downward, it will be 260. Okay, I hope you're following me closely. Alright, so that's basically, now you don't need to put psychological levels all over your drawings to make your drawing a little bit clumsy. All you need is the current psychological level at your current price. This line, okay, I want to bring it here so I show you what happened in previous times. Okay, then I extend this particular one to this side. Okay, let's see what happened in historical data. Then I extend this one as well. Of course, you must have noticed that the price must have shifted from where it's supposed to be. So let's just quickly put it where it's supposed to be. So this one was supposed to be 270. Just turn this to 0. It will go back to where it's supposed to be. Then this one was 265. Okay, 265. Just turn this to 5. And then this last one was 260. So we just turn this to 60. Okay, all right. So if you want to check, okay, what is the measurement for this psychological levels, you can actually use your mirror to and just measure between the first psychological level to the second one. You find that it is exactly 50 pips. Okay, 50 pips apart from each other. So anytime the banks and the financial institution drive this market, they drive it up to about 50 pips before they have decisions of a reversal or changing direction in the market. So if you look at the historical data, this is 4 hours time frame. Well, let's go to 15 minutes time frame, which is our entry time frame, and see what I want to show you. I hope you're able to get historical data from this. I think that's a bit far. Let's go to the 1 hour time frame. Okay, so the 1 hour time frame gives us historical data at least to a reasonable lesson. So let's use the 1 hour time frame to do the explanation, which I want to do. But take note, it is drawn from the 15 minutes time frame and entries are taken from the 15 minutes time frame. Now look at this now. You find out that price came here and there is a liquidity grab just at this psychological level. Okay, you find that there's another liquidity grab just at this psychological level. So as a trader, you can actually trade only psychological level and you make a lot of money just at this psychological level. So what happened after your back testing and everything, you will find out that if you follow historical data using your back testing, you know that when price grab liquidity here on this just above, little above this psychological level, price might be going to the next psychological level, even into the next, because the next liquidity grab will be just at this point. Okay, because of this is the historical liquidity grab. Okay, and this one was just at this point. So this is how you can actually use psychological levels to determine trades. So you'll notice that it was that these psychological decisions were made and 50 pips apart. Okay, you notice even here there was a bullish move from here to this point, 50 pips apart. From here though, this is a massive variance. I think this is news down to this point. Okay, before this psychological level was broken, and then the next psychological level beneath became part of consideration in this particular analysis. So let's just put the next one and put the price for the next one. The next one will now be 255 since the last one was 260. So you'll notice that after this liquidity grab, price did a little thing there before it decides to go bearish. So automatically there is liquidity here. Price did a little bit on this liquidity grab side before it came down to this point. Now if you put the next psychological level after that one, you will notice that price has already gotten to the next psychological level. Now if you are trading and you are able to catch 50 pips, you are a good trader, because that 50 pips is able to give you a lot in the market. You can see that price grabbed liquidity here and went straight to the next psychological level, and this could be your take profit. Okay, so this is just what I want to show you on how to use psychological level. This strategy also works for other currency pair, but because I king GU, I deliberate more on GU. That's why I do my videos more on GU. You can try out this strategy on gold and other currency pairs and you will be successful. Okay, subscribe to my YouTube channel, don't forget.